Welcome to Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. This is Sean Frost. We're going to do a walk around today on a Forest River Gray Wolf 22RR toy hauler with the fiberglass siding. So the first thing, look at the aluminum there. Push that in, the fiberglass. Nice, thick, and solid, provides a little better insulation, a little better look. More of a high-end feel. A little bit more expensive than without it. We've got both versions. This one's the one with the fiberglass. There's your wheels with tire pressure monitors. You have outside speakers, outside TV area, LED lighting under the power awning. Nice sized powered awning. This model is 4,900 pounds, 25 feet 8 inches. Includes two 20-pound propane tanks, power tongue jack, power stabilizer jacks. Now we'll put a new battery on there, fill up the propane tanks, do an inspection on the model, make sure it works properly for you. We'll do that all free prep. You can add a backup camera to it. So you got double axle, 2 steps to entrance, nice big grab handle. There's your spare tire. This will fold on down into a nice sized bed. Sleep a couple people. If there are kids, you can probably fit 3 of them back here. You can remove that table out of the way. You can eat right here. Move that table outside if you had some extra chairs if you want to do. There's your oven. 3-burner stove. Microwave. All stainless steel. There's your sink, deep bowl. Fit those pots and pans pretty nice. Switchable fridge, gas or electric. There's your fuse box, LP monitor. And pantry. Plenty of space to store some food. There's your TV bracket, TV connections. You've got some speakers. A duct for the air. Lights. Really nice size shower. Skylight above it allows you a little extra headroom. Diagonal facing foot flush toilet. There's the bed. You got a little more storage underneath. Shoes, shirts, sheets, things like that. Of course, you've got your wardrobe closets on either side. Some overhead storage. A couple reading lights, chargers. 2 entries, 2 exits. A little more storage above the couch there. Another skylight lets in a good amount of light during the day. And there you have it. 2017 Forest River Gray Wolf 22RR with the fiberglass siding. This has been Sean Frost with Paul Sherry RVs. We appreciate you watching the video.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from, and how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry, and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course, provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.